The proliferation of artificial intelligence, AI, technologies continues to march onwards as AI becomes a globally established industry. However, these billions of dollars in AI revenue are rarely seen by those working at the lower end of the AI workforce. Dbrain, a new blockchain platform, allows anyone with a smartphone to carry out AI-related tasks and be rewarded with cryptocurrency. Coins for validating datasets. The company points out that 80% of AI development is data-related, and labeling and maintaining these datasets require a lot of human effort. By creating this platform, Dbrain say they can enable those in lower-income countries to take a share of the booming AI industry, rewarding workers with Dbrain coins, DBR, for their efforts. Workers can label as much or as little as they choose, and can cash in their coins for USD whenever they would like. AI companies can have their datasets created and verified quickly, accurately and easily, and those struggling to find work or break into the AI business can earn a living. Labeled datasets are guaranteed to be of good quality, as they are validated by other workers on completion, an example of a subjective proof of crowd work, or SPOC, system. In terms of security, Dbrain prevents dataset leaks to third parties through the use of the protocol for indirect controlled access to repository data, PICARD. Dbrain says PICARD also gives data scientists the ability to train AI models using the datasets without downloading them, and sell AI solutions to business clients later. The company also claims Dbrain platform integrates AI app lifecycle into a single product that automates most of the human-in-the-loop workflow. It is currently the only working solution that combines functionality to label data, create customized models, ensure the data security, and validate the markup results with cryptocurrency payments and payouts to both labelers and AI developers. Winning the trust and support. The Dbrain team is vastly experienced. For example, CEO Dmitry Matskevich has previously founded other big data companies, and sold Flocktree.com for $20 million last year, and CTO Alexei Haunov is also the founder of Connectum.ai and September. Having already partnered with Microsoft, SingularityNet, QPivot, Proscator and other notable brands, Dbrain has won the trust and support of some of the most prestigious AI developers in the world. With an estimated reduction in labeling costs of between 50 to 90% compared to other competitors in the industry such as AMT, Dbrain could become an appealing offer for any AI companies looking to cut spend on creating reliable datasets without taking risks with security and quality. Artificial intelligence is a world full of promises. This technology outbreak might not surprise us too much, as we've already seen a drastic change in our life mainly because of new innovations in tech since 1990. Up till now, AI is still developing, and one of the major problems that need to be solved for this tech to grow is the need to collect and labels data for machine learning. Until this day, datasets for machine learning are still collected and labeled hand by hand, which creates such task very tiring and require a lot of efforts if there is not enough manpower to do that. On the other hand, automating this process might create another problem as we have to create an app that literally is an AI itself to label data correctly. To tackle this problem, one solution we could try is by creating a platform for collectively build AI apps and datasets. Which is what Dbrain is for. How Dbrain works. How can this platform work? What makes people wanted to do this challenging and time-consuming work? The answer is, of course, by giving them the incentive to do it. Dbrain will also do that. For users that take part in this project, they will get DBR tokens for each successful work. DBR tokens can be exchanged for fiat currency like dollars, just like how others cryptocurrency works. Payment will be done instantly and securely. With Dbrain, the process of building an AI app will become fun and easy. Parties called data owners, which as it said, the one who owns the data and sends it as raw data can share their data on the platform. Labelers, or user who take part in labeling its data will help to label it and verify the datasets to get DBR in return. The data scientist will then use the datasets to build AI apps that in turn will be used by the business. All of them will utilize the DBR tokens as the internal currency. One of the processes of how Dbrain work is just like this image below. Users need to label each image for the correct category. Users, or in this case, labelers will need to do a task like this in order to be paid. There is already a running platform on the website and Telegram bot, while the apps will be released approximately in Q2 of 2018. Not only detecting what is in the image, Dbrain will also aim to create an API that can do object detection, segmentation, face recognition, data classification, speech recognition, pose estimation, and arbitrary data analysis. This means the API built in Dbrain will be able to identify, differentiate and categorize a lot of things, which will be very useful for a lot of purposes. Isn't it very interesting? Benefits for the unbanked people. Another aspect that is quite interesting of Dbrain is that it opens up working opportunity for people who didn't have a suitable job to support their living. A worker does not need to have CV or anything like that in order to get paid. They just need to create an account and then help by collecting or labeling the data. Because of this, a lot of people, estimated to be 2 billion by Dbrain team, will get a proper living. Not only that, labeling won't cost too much as there is a lot of people that take part in it. Conclusion. Dbrain is a crypto project that is important for the AI industry. It will help machine learning and opens up working opportunity for a lot of people while simultaneously help business or industry to create a working AI for their interest. You should take a look at Dbrain and seriously consider it as a project that can achieve a huge success. Website, dbrain.io. Bounty, bountyhive.io web link. Bounty,